Hi Dominic, how are you?
I'm doing great, Abhishek. How are you?
All good, all good. So Dominic, I hope you have enjoyed the IM engine training. So before getting into some questions, can you just give an intro about yourself? Like what's your background and what are you doing right now?
Well, my name is Dominic, and my background is in the health sector. I'm a registered nurse. I currently live here in Dallas, in the US.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, all that I'm doing right now is just focusing on the program. Hopefully get through with it and then begin to hit the job market.
Okay, cool. So Dominic, moving forward, I have just four questions for you. Okay, especially related to the IM engine training that we had. So I just want to be genuine with you. First one starting that what motivated you to join this IM agent training and right now how it's helping you in your career. Do you see any changes after the training?
Well, like I said, my background is in the health sector. I've been working as a registered nurse for uh, a number of years, and I've been sick and tired of it. I just wanted to make a change, right?
Mm-hmm.
And um, IT stood up,
Mm-hmm.
and um, uh, identity and access management is what actually surfaced.
Mm-hmm.
So I decided to focus on identity and access management amongst all the different domains or sectors that we have in IT. And
Mm-hmm.
like I said, the reason is, to change career, you know, and also the idea of being able to work remotely,
Mm-hmm.
um, and also make a lot of money. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that is pretty much what brought me here.
And my second question to you would be like, what are the key concepts you have learned during the training and which you find most valuable? Like, I have seen that the way you are creating art that you have gained from this training.
Well, the training has got different parts, right? We had the introduction with Ravi,
Mm-hmm.
which was phenomenal. He gave us the foundation to identity and access management,
Mm-hmm.
and from there was Okta session as well, which was very interesting with Summit, and then now we're taking Entra ID with
Mm-hmm.
Radhika. So when I was coming in, I didn't have, a lot of IT background, a lot of experience with IT. It was just a normal domestic use of IT. And, looking at where I started from and where I am right now, in terms of knowledge in the identity and access management space, I think it's I've really come a long way. What really has stood out for me is the understanding of what really makes identity and access management work, right? There is different identity providers that we've looked
Mm-hmm.
at, PIN, Okta, Entra ID.
Mm-hmm.
Different service providers that has to be
Mm-hmm.
integrated with these identity providers. And
Mm-hmm.
then how do we actually get these identity providers and the service providers integrated? There has to be protocols, right? And uh, the understanding that Ravi gave us and all the other teachers gave us has really, made things very easy for me to really understand how to work within this field.
Understood. Understood. Okay. Thank you. So my last question from you would be like, would you recommend this IM engine training to your friends, colleague, or someone who is a fresher and they want to like start their career in identity and access management, but they don't know like from where they need to start or what should be the roadmap. So like, do you think this IM engineer journey would help them out?
Yeah, for sure, 100%. I think it will really help anyone who wishes to switch careers or, do something different with their lives. And I think this is a great place to be because even if you don't have the IT background, the foundation that you get before you begin to build upon that foundation,
Mm-hmm.
it's it's easy for anyone to really understand if you really want to put in the work. So, I will 100% recommend it to anybody who really wants to do something different, because it's a good place to be.
Okay. And just one more question, Zach. Sorry, Dominic. Like from the training perspective, you said everything is good, and from the trainer side also. So, like, how was the training coordinators or the training team helped you out during the training?
Well, basically there is there's a platform that we get all the classes
Mm-hmm.
recorded. We can easily go there and then easily get access to the information that has
Yes.
been delivered, right? So that is a good thing. And then yeah, basically the materials, apart from the recording, we also have um, PowerPoint slides that we can also use. And then there is also hands-on, which is very important because this is not a theoretical program. You have to make your hands dirty. So we
Yes.
we we have all these hands-on that we engage ourselves. So yeah, that is how it's been.
Okay. That sounds good. Thank you for your feedback, Dominic. Thank you
No
again.
problem. No problem at all.